All right, guys. So first things first, go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name's Richard Pryor, owner of 1410 Paintworks.
Cool. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me, let's start off on this fender bike first.
So this is, originally it was a Coleman 100cc bike that we've cut, shortened up, and then the fender is actually two fronts and two rear fenders off a Volkswagen Beetle, cut in half both ways, welded back together.
Oh, dude, no way.
Yeah, and then it's got the Cadillac taillight, which this has Cadillac taillights too.
Oh, dude. So tell me a little bit about this car.
It's a 82 Volkswagen Caddy.
Okay.
It's had a MK2 GTI front swap on it, MK2 interior in it. It's a 1.6 naturally aspirated diesel. Candy paint job on it, Cadillac taillights on it, and a custom interior in it too.
Man, yeah, it looks clean. I wish it didn't rain so I can check out the paint a bit more.
Can't really see the. You can see a little bit, I guess you get in the light. You can see the candy on there.
Yeah. Oh man, this is clean, dude.
Appreciate it.
How long did it take to build this car?
It took me a little while. It's actually been built twice. Originally, it was all pearl white, same truck, and then I went back and just redid it probably about a month or two ago, and we did the candy on it.
Oh,
and then
no
all
kidding.
this is everything's painted on, all the graphics.
Oh, dude, they're not even like stick on and cleared over?
Some of these are stickers right here, and then of course the little ones on the fender are stickers. The rest is all paint.
That's awesome. I do like these Cadillac taillights. They do actually fit the body.
Well, it's a lot of work to get them on there.
Oh, dude,
yeah.
I bet.
From here, all these originally have like a fiberglass, so all this right here is all handmade, and then the roll pan's all handmade too.
Oh,
and then it's got like a new Civic exhaust tip on the back, the HDMI port or whatever you want to call it.
All right. Yeah, dude, this thing is clean.
Appreciate it.
How long have you had this thing for?
This one about 5 years now.
5 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
Man, maybe a little longer.
A little bit longer?
Maybe 5 or 6. Yeah.
That's
had
dope.
for a while.
So, how'd you acquire this car?
Actually, I tried to buy it off of a customer of mine. For probably a year or two, and then finally he had 2 of them, and he finally let go of this one.
Oh, no kidding.
But it was a rust bucket when I got it.
Oh yeah,
it was
dude,
horrible.
I bet. And you're like, oh, where do I even go from here?
I just always wanted one and want to build one, so I just went ahead and got it off of when I had the chance.
Yeah, dude, that is clean. Do you have one memory with this car that comes to mind first?
Not really. I mean, just the attention it gets at any show it goes to.
Yeah.
It just stands out. As
Yeah,
far
it
as
really
any
does.
certain, there's no real.
Nothing that comes to mind. That's
like
just
that.
like, oh, dude.
Nah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean that's fair enough. Let's see. Do you have any more plans to modify this car in the future?
This one's probably done. Well, I say it's
100%
done, but I own a paint shop, so
We all say that.
in a
It's
few
like,
years
oh,
it
we're
may
done.
get painted again.
I feel that. Yeah, man, you did a great job on this thing so far.
Appreciate it.
Now, are there any other cars that you want to scoop up in the future?
Shoot, I don't know. I have quite a few at the house now, so.
Yeah. What else do you have?
Oh, shit, I've got 8 or 10 of them. Nothing fully built. I have these 2 built, and then I have a 2nd gen Dodge Ram that we've done quite a bit of work to.
Oh, cool.
And it's pretty nice.
So you're pretty caught up on.
Yeah.
You want to get all those.
I have a
sorted out
65
beforehand.
Impala that I really want to restore when I get the time to.
Oh yeah, dude, that'd be sick.
So it's just whenever I can get the time to work on it.
Hell yeah, man. And I just have a few more questions. Do you prefer supercharger, turbo, or NA?
Oh, turbo. That one
all
right
the
there is
way?
turbo. Yeah.
Yeah. Why? Why
Why?
would you choose turbo over
I don't know.
any of the other two?
I like the turbo on it. I like the sound of it. I like the boost. I like the pull. I like everything about it.
Fair enough. I dig that. Yeah.
I've never had a supercharged car, so I can't speak for it really, I guess. So.
Same on my side. Yeah. And then domestic or import?
Oh,
Why?
import all day long.
Import all day.
All day.
Why?
I don't know. I'm just a big fan of them.
Yep.
All of them.
Anything?
Big
in particular?
Volkswagen fan.
Yeah. I mean, I can see.
Volkswagen, Audi products. I love them. German cars.
Hell yeah. Okay. So which one do you think is cooler, racing or drifting?
Oh, racing.
Racing.
I don't know. I like watching drifting, but I
Yeah.
like racing better.
Why is that?
Just the speed of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the thrill of going.
Just the thrill
right.
of, yeah.
Nice. So tell me a little bit about this thing right here.
This is a 2012 Volkswagen CC. And I mean, it's just, everything's been touched on it. It took me quite a while to it's actually been painted 2 or 3 times too.
Oh, no kidding.
It's on airlift 3P, APR wing, full APR under the hood, KO4, intercoolers, downpipes, exhaust,
Man,
valve springs. It's fully built engine.
it seems like you go
And then it has,
all out.
man, let me turn my headlights on.
Dude, so I see the contrasting color that you have.
It is a black to red chameleon on this one.
Oh, no kidding.
And then if you look in the center, you have to get back. You can see this one has an eyeball in it, but you got to get back a little bit probably to see it. If you scoot back some.
Oh, dude. Yeah, I can see that. Man, that is cool. What is that anyway? What kind of headlight is that?
Dude, I don't know. Like my wife sent me that little thing one day, and I was like, dude, I got to buy these. And when I got them, they were like this big, literally. And so I put them behind a projector to make them stand out. You know, if you're back from the car a little bit, you can stand them better. But it's so low, it's hard to see.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully it comes up pretty good on camera. Dude, that is sick. I've never seen anyone do anything like that. I've always seen like the different like types of headlights where it's just like, oh, you know, you get the halo or whatever. And yeah, dude, that is clean. I do like the contrasting colors that you chose on it.
It's the color match the wheels to the grill to...
And the inside of the headlights too.
Inside the headlights, piece of the spoiler. And the interior, I think they're color matched to the outside of the car, actually. The interior pieces are.
Man,
it's got like a 10-inch tablet in it, full system.
Oh, yeah.
It's got air. I mean, it's the trunk's done too. I just never pop. It's raining, so I didn't pop it. It's got a 2 SCAR ZBX8s in there, SCAR amp.
Oh, man.
And then a tank floating there.
You put a lot of work into this car.
A lot. This one's had a lot into it.
Man, that's
I wish
cool.
you could see the color flip better, but you can't see it right now.
I know. And like trying to like get it on camera, you can barely.
Yeah. And it's got lace print on the roof also.
Are you kidding me?
No, but I don't know if you'll ever be able to see it. It's so wet.
No, man.
Yeah, it's got lace print on the roof. Ghosted in the chameleon there.
Well, do you have an Instagram that people can follow you on to check this thing out?
1410
Oh, just 1410. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. I looked right over that.
Yeah.
Oh, man. That is cool. Well, sweet. I think I'm going to wrap it up there.
I
appreciate the time.
Thank you.
I love the cars.
Thank you.
And hopefully next car meet or whatever, I can come out and actually see it during the day.
Yeah.
Hell
it's
yeah,
a lot
dude.
nicer in the day. Both of them are.
Oh, yeah, I bet. Oh, cool. I appreciate that, man.
Thank you.
Hey, guys. So after editing the video or during it, I realized that I did not do a proper outro for the interview. So here it is. I'd like to go ahead and thank Richard Pryor again for letting me do the interview, checking out his builds and stuff like that. It was really cool. It was really fun. I hope I can run into him again in the future at another car show or whatever like that to see what other builds he has going on. So yeah, it was a pretty cool experience. Like I said before, go ahead and if you're interested in checking out any of his stuff on his Instagram, go check that out. Next time I'll try not to be an idiot and forget to record the outro because I'm excited. But that's all I gotta say about that. I'll catch you guys on the next ride.